All right. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I've got a pretty cool strategy. It works for scalping as well as long or swing trades. It also works on any asset, so you can use it on crypto, Forex, and stocks. I'll be using the Euro US dollar pair in this video on the 15-minute time frame. Also, be sure to stick to the very end of the video, and I'll show you how to set up trading alerts on the strategy. So for this strategy, we're going to use 3 different indicators. So we're going to go up here and click on indicators and strategies. The very first indicator that we'll use is the extreme trend. It'll be the very first one. The second indicator that we'll be using is the QQE threshold. The third indicator that we will use is the 10-in-1. We're going to click on the very first one. All right, at this point, this is how your chart should appear, but we're going to be changing the settings. All right, so for the settings on the X trend, we're going to go to style and we're going to remove the 200 EMA. We're going to go to color 1 and we're going to make it green. And on color 2, we're going to make this one red. So for the 10-in-1 strategy, we're going to click on settings, go to inputs. We're going to change the first one from EMA to an SMA. We're going to make this appear white. For the second one, we're going to make it an EMA. For the second one, we're going to make it an EMA, and we're going to change the length to 50. We're also going to change the color to blue. For the third one, we're going to make it an EMA, and we're going to make this one 20 EMA. I'll put the color for this one on green. So for the QQE, click on settings. We're going to remove the first and second plot. We're also going to scroll down and we're going to remove all 3 of the levels. We're going to go to inputs. We're going to change the RSI length to 7. We're going to change the smoothing to 3. Threshold settings will be switched to 5. So this is now how your chart should appear. If you'd like to change any of the colors to your preference, you're free to do so. Also, if you gained value out of today's video so far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I'll be hosting my free Telegram trading channel where I will show you all the trades that I make on a regular basis. So for the trading strategy, it's actually very simple. For a long, what we're going to be looking for, first of all, is for a blue triangle to appear. This indicates a buying position. Next thing we're going to be looking for is for the candle to appear above all 3 of the lines. We also need to see the QQE having green candles or being above the 0 line. This indicates an uptrend. So as you can see right here, it is above most of the lines. We also have a blue triangle, but the QQE is not in an uptrend when it prints. So we're going to look for another one. All right, as you can see right here, we have a perfect long position. A blue triangle has appeared after the candle closes. It is above all of the lines. We also see a green uptrend appearing, along with the QQE being an uptrend above the 0 line. So we're going to take our first long position. So after we entered the trade, we're going to set our stop loss a few points down below the most recent swing low. And with a 1.5 risk reward ratio, you can see that we have our first winning long trade. This strategy, it's more geared towards finding accurate trades as opposed to finding more trades. So if you wish to find more frequent trades, I would say you can enter on the 5-minute time frame as opposed to the 15-minute, but I normally stick with the 15-minute and I found that it's quite profitable. For a second long position, you can see that all the indicators are green. Price action is also above all the lines and a blue triangle has appeared. So we have our second long position right here. The stop loss a few points below the most recent swing low, and we can see that we have another winning long trade. All right, so for a short position, what we're going to be looking for is for the orange triangle to appear. This indicates a downtrend. We're also going to wait for the candle to close, and if it's below all of the lines and the QQE appears red, we can take our short position. So take a short right here, set the stop loss a few points above the most recent swing high. And we can see with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we have our first winning short trade. Again, we have another one right here. All the indicators line up, so we can take another short position. All right, so our second short trade lined up pretty nicely. Again, the strategy is more geared towards finding more accurate trades and not trading more frequently. All right, so now for setting up trading alerts, what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the X trend, click on add alert. We're going to set up 2 different indicators, one for a long and the other one for a short. We're also going to make sure it's on once per bar close. So anytime one of these triangles appears, you should receive an alert on your device that you're trading on, or if you have it connected to your mobile device, it'll send an alert to your phone. You won't be able to take all these trades, unfortunately, because you're going to make sure that the indicators match up. So that's it for the strategy. I hope you guys found it helpful. If there are any other recommendations or comments you'd like to make, please let me know. Be sure to click on the like button if you found value out of today's video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.